नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम क्लास 6 के जनरल साइंस में लेसन नंबर 9 मोशन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके, अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बैठ कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 9 मोशन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन। उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन। फर्स्ट, मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन, सर्कुलर एंड पीरियडिक। सेकंड, मूवमेंट्स ऑफ अ सीलिंग फैन, oscillatory and circular. Third, meteor falling from the sky, linear. Fourth, a rocket launched from the ground, linear. Fifth, a fish swimming in water, random. And sixth, the plucked string of a sitar, oscillatory. Now next question. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, if a ball is released from the terrace of a building, it comes down in a dash motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in dash motion if it is thrown with force away from the terrace in a direction parallel to the terrace. The answer is non-uniform, linear and non-linear. If a ball is released from the terrace of a building, it comes down in non-uniform linear motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in non-linear motion if it is thrown with force away from the terrace in a direction parallel to the terrace. Second, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is dash. The answer is linear. The motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is linear. Third, the kite looking for its prey flies with dash motion in the sky. The answer is circular. The kite looking for its prey flies with circular motion in the sky. Fourth, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have dash motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have a dash motion. The answer is uniform circular and non-uniform circular. Children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have uniform circular motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have a non-uniform circular motion. Now next question. Question number 3, how are we different? First, oscillatory motion and linear motion. The answer is oscillatory motion, linear motion. Oscillatory motion first. Oscillatory motion is a type of non-linear motion. The objects in this type of motion never move in a straight line. Linear motion first. Objects showing linear motion always move in a straight line. Oscillatory motion second. The object showing oscillatory motion comes back to its original place again and again. Linear motion second. The object showing linear motion is displaced away from the original place. Oscillatory motion third. Example, the table fan and ceiling fan, merry-go-round and giant wheel, the pendulum of a clock. Linear motion third example, running vehicles, parade of soldiers. Now next, second, linear motion and random motion. The answer is linear motion, random motion. Linear motion first. In linear motion, the object travels in a straight line and in the same direction. Random motion first. In random motion, the object travels in any direction and with continuously changing speed. Linear motion second. Objects displaying linear motion always travel in a straight line. Random motion second. Objects displaying random motion never travel in one straight line. Linear motion third. Example, moving train, parading soldiers. Random motion third example, flying birds, swimming fish. Now next, third, random motion and oscillatory motion. The answer is random motion, oscillatory motion. Random motion first. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. Oscillatory motion first. The motion in which an object goes in one direction and comes back again to the original position is called oscillatory motion. Random motion second. The random motion is a non-linear motion and does not have a fixed direction. Oscillatory motion second. Oscillatory motion is non-linear motion and has a fixed direction. Random motion third. The objects showing random motion may not come back to the original position. Oscillatory motion third. The objects showing oscillatory motion come back to the original position. Random motion fourth. Example, flying butterflies and birds, game of football. Oscillatory motion fourth. Example, pendulum of clock, needle of sewing machine, table fan and ceiling fan. Now next question. Question number 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. First, linear motion. The answer is the motion of an object traveling in a straight line or in the same direction is called linear motion. There are two types of linear motion, viz. Uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. In uniform linear motion, the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is the same, whereas in non-uniform motion, the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keeps on changing. Example, the parading soldiers show uniform linear motion, whereas the children playing on a slide show non-uniform linear motion. Now next, second, oscillatory motion. The answer is the motion of a body that is moving in a back and forth direction is called oscillatory motion. Oscillation from oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a type of non-linear motion. If the oscillatory motion is completed in fixed period of time, it becomes a periodic motion. Example, the swinging pendulum of a clock, the needle of sewing machine, and vibrating diaphragm of different musical instruments. Now next, third, circular motion. The answer is the motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Circular motion can be periodic motion if it is taking place in fixed time period. In day-to-day life, many objects are seen completing circular path. The hands of the clock shows circular and periodic motion. The giant wheel, merry-go-round, mixture, fan, etc. shows circular motion. Now next, fourth, random motion. The answer is the motion that changes its speed and direction continuously is called random motion. There is no fixed direction for random motion. The butterflies, birds flying in the sky, the wandering animals, the swimming fish, etc. shows random motion. Now next, fifth, periodic motion. The answer is the motion in which moving object passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. The hands of clock completes their rotation in fixed time period. A merry-go-round also completes the round in a specific time. Therefore, this kind of motion is called periodic motion. Now next question. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in your own words. First, which type of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? The answer is the birds flying in the sky shows oscillatory motion when they flap their wings. Most of the birds show linear motion. Some like kite display circular motion. Crows are seen moving in random motion. Now next, second, write in details about your experience of various types of motion while riding a bicycle on a road. The answer is when we start a bicycle, we have to pedal it. This is circular motion in which pedals of the bicycle move. Then we decide the direction and usually pick up a linear motion. For doing so, we can turn the handle of the bicycle. The wheels of a bicycle turn in circular motion. If we go with the same speed in one direction, it will be uniform linear motion. If we increase and decrease the speed intermittently, it will be non-uniform linear motion. Sometimes, just for fun, we may take round turns. The motion then becomes oscillatory and circular too. Now next question. Question number 6. Complete the puzzle using words for the type of motion. First, a spring is stretched and one end is released. Oscillatory motion. Second, a minute hands. Circular motion. Third, a seesaw. Periodic motion. Fourth and fifth, children in a march past. Uniform motion and linear motion. And sixth is a stone rolling down a hillside. Random motion. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 9 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।